I am Afrin, working as a business analyst with IMAGECON India Private Limited. We are an electronic-based company working with product design and manufacturing. We are specially engaged in Internet of Things sector. Education is the most powerful weapon which can change anything in the world. In the present scenario, going to school, college and attending classes isn't really possible, right? So here we bring it to you, DO training, which is online and classroom training. Yes, you heard it right. We provide classroom training as well. This DO training program has a lot of features where one can select their native language, Tamil or English, as their training language. We provide you with globally recognized certificate which has a unique ID with it. We assist you with session-wise assessment and session-wise test to analyze your performance. So we provide lifetime support so that you can call our trainee anytime you want to clarify doubts. When you attend the classroom training, you will be provided with an exposure with industrial real-time projects. Yes, we provide you classroom training with hell a lot of advantages. In all the online courses which you register, are they really providing you classroom training? We IMAGECON India provide classroom training exclusively for students who take part in this program so that they can have an exposure on industrial real-time projects. All about that, we provide you EMI options to take part in this DO training program. To be a part in this DO training program which involves online and classroom training, go visit www.imageconindia.com/online training right now